How's it going? So, doing a little bit of carving today. Um, I'm AJ Fletcher. I run Fletcher Hill Syrup and Forest Products. That also covers Fletcher's tree service. So basically, I'm also a professional lumberjack, kind of, sort of. So I've done shows for a couple of years. So I swing axes and all that cool stuff. Speed climb, all that. So basically, I'm kind of an eclectic lumberjack. Um, I carve, I climb trees, I farm, I do all sorts of things. So today I'm doing a little bit of carving. I got a craft show coming up this weekend in downstate New York. So basically I'm going there to sell syrup, but the carvings are kind of nice because that's my gas money. So they sell real nice. It's here the first part of November, so everybody's kind of switching over to Christmas mode. So I do Christmas trees, I do little bears. Today I'm going to carve a moose for you guys. I learned how to do that this summer out in northern Michigan. I had a friend of mine kind of show me the ropes there. I've only been carving for a couple of months. I started back in May. So I've kind of picked up some things. They're getting a lot better, so I'm kind of happy about that. So I'll do these videos as a bit of a, I don't know, maybe somebody is in my shoes and wants to get a little bit better, and there might be something I can show, or maybe somebody that's a hell of a lot better than me can comment and tell me what I'm doing wrong or what I can do better. So, and I'll probably do some other videos. It's gonna be the time of year I'm gonna put some work in Sugarwood and do a little bit of work on Staff House. I got plenty of projects left for the fall. I got some trees to climb, so probably got a little helmet mount for that camera. So take some videos of the trees because I like watching those videos. And there's probably some for you to do too. So without any further ado, I'm just gonna start kind of marking it out, and then when I get done, I'll kind of walk you guys through my cuts. So I'll just knock them out real quick. Talk a wee bit. Basically, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a spot for his antlers here with the 660. A little bit bigger of a bar, so you'll kind of see that quick. Be his antlers. Now for the face and nose, and kind of shape out his head and body. Well, since I got the saw off, I guess I'll take a second to do a little talking. So basically what I did is I marked out his head. So there's going to be his snout right there. And then this is going to come in. This is going to be his arms and his feet. So he's essentially going to kind of sit like that. Oh, more like that. His feet, you'll see. I left his antlers up here. I'm going to take a second here and, after I get most of them done. Antlers are kind of the last thing I do. Just they're quick and easy. Do it and he's done. So I ran out of gas as I was kind of doing that. So I'm gonna finish cutting out the snout, or marking the head, and I'll finish out his snout kinda. I'll put a little bit of effort into his body, and then he'll kind of just come together. That's how they do. They look like nothing until all of a sudden they look like something. I know that's kind of a stupid thing to say, but you'll see. So here he is. He does need a little bit of finishing. He is a little bit blockier than I like to have him. So I'll just hit him pretty good with the grinder. Usually what I do, I kind of forgot that step, but I'll kind of cut out the antlers here, and then kind of go in an inch or two, and then just cut them straight down. See that? So I'll go in an inch or two right here and kind of cut straight down, so that way the antlers are out overhanging him instead of his head being as wide as antlers. Because I mean, you look at a real moose, and I mean, obviously this is a quick carve. This is not a detailed moose. This isn't, you know, you're not going to see this driving up through Vermont or New Hampshire or nothing. This is kind of just a cute little, you know, people love them because they're different. You know, everybody carves bears. Everybody carves bears, and people buy what's cute. So this guy, you know, he's a little bit blocky. He ain't perfect. People like him. So I'll give him a pretty good burn. Leave the antlers alone, burn the nose a little bit, kind of give him some eyes, and he'll go for about $50.